Hello, independent-seeking individuals. This is Tomas, the creator of Independent Academy, where we study, explore, and experiment with technologies that help us become more independent. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions. A, are you a writer of any kind or someone that is interested in ways in which you can start to earn crypto? If you answer yes to any of those questions, I have a platform to show you. And drumroll please, it's called Publish0x. This is a website that is very simple. And what you do is you write articles, you publish them, and then if people like them, they have the option to leave a tip. Actually, let's show it to you so you can see it very clearly. We're going to enter into, say, this article. You can see this here, you have the article, and when you scroll all the way to the bottom, first of all, you have the option to give it if you like the article, and here you have the tipping function. And you have this little slider, right? A percentage of the rewards are going to go to the author, and the other percentage is going to go to you. If you go all the way down, you give 10% to the author, you keep 90%, and if you go all the way there, you can give 100% to the author, 0% to you. And then you just click tip, and that's how the author gets paid. Now, it is very important to know that this tipping function, to me as a user, it didn't cost me anything, right? It's not that I am tipping the author, it's that I am telling the Publish0x platform that I like this article and that this author needs to get paid, basically. So you can go around and you can tip the authors that you like, and it costs you $0, zero crypto. It costs you nothing. And as you could see, you can use the slider to give yourself some of the rewards as well, which I'm sure you're going to be keen on doing that. I'm very sure. And basically, this helps the platform determine which authors are providing useful content and they're getting reward. Now, I'm going to quickly show you my dashboard. And I've been using this platform for a while now. I am very reluctant to show new platforms, but once I tested it, and once I'm able to withdraw the funds and there's no problem, and do that consistently, then I am confident enough to make a video about it. And you can see that, for example, my last article got over 1,000 views and it earned me 47 cents. So it's not something you're gonna do, you're gonna get rich. But if you're already producing content, or if you wanna start your crypto journey, this is a good place for you. And you can see you get paid in Ether tokens and in Optimism token. The Ethereum is also on the Optimism chain. So it all works on Optimism. That's something to keep in mind. And you can see that, for example, this month I was not very active, so I only got 4 cents and 3 cents in Optimism. But in the lifetime, I already earned more than 16 Ethereum and more than $70 worth of OP tokens. So again, it adds up. And right now I have $4 of Ethereum and $5 worth of Optimism. And I'm going to show you how you can withdraw these funds, which I'm sure is going to be very important for you to do once you join and you start accumulating some. So you go here, you have these 3 options, and the one on the top right is withdraw earnings. You click there. You need to put your wallet first, right? I already connected my wallet. If you don't know how to do that, you simply go to your name, go to settings, and here you go to on-chain wallets, and there's where you put your wallets, right? You can see my wallets are here. Now we're gonna go back to where we were, back, and we're gonna withdraw our earnings. So let's try and withdraw the ETH. There's a minimum that you need to accumulate before you can withdraw, and there's also a fee that goes with it, which the minimum is 50 cents. We have $4, so should be okay. Withdraw. Again, it's showing you that this is the address. You need to confirm that that's the right address. You click yes, confirm withdrawal. And now the withdrawal is in progress. Now the withdrawals are manual, okay? They're not instantaneous. So basically, once you click the withdrawal, you're sending a message to the Publish0x platform, and you're telling them, hey, I would like to withdraw my tokens to my wallet. Please send them over. And they will do that, but they do it every Monday. So if you want to withdraw your tokens, just remember to do it ideally on Sunday, or at least know that you won't actually get those tokens until Monday. But other than that, it's a great platform to start writing, start earning, improve your knowledge in the crypto space, get to know great authors, and build your own audience base, all while you are earning as you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I see you on the platform, and I will leave behind. They have an ambassador program, so basically they give you a link. So if you wanna join using my link, you will help the Independent Academy earn a few percentages, and that could add up into give us more funds to do more interesting things and continue to explore this very intricate and interesting world of cryptocurrencies, but more broadly, technologies that help us achieve independence. See you on the next one.